What's up, everybody? Cam's Life 12 back with another video. I may have on the same clothes, but that's because I'm recording the same day. I see half of you guys that watch my videos are not subscribed. It takes 2 seconds to press that subscribe button if you like this Q50 Q60 content. So here's my Q50 Q60 Starter Pack for those who love these cars. So you just recently picked up a Q50 Q60 and you see your side mirrors. Well, half of you are gonna go buy the BMW M3 mirrors, which is nothing wrong with that, or M3, M4, what do you even call them? They're pretty cool. I haven't done it yet, I may do it. So let's get to the next part. You just picked up your Q50 Q60. What else are you gonna do? Chrome delete. I have the chrome delete at home, I just haven't started. And I also have been in contact with someone to do a black roof wrap, I guess gloss black roof wrap for this car. And then also including that, the front grille will be wrapped black as well once I get to it. So those are the first 2 or 3 things you do for your car when you get it. The next would possibly be the front lip. Many people will get carbon fiber front lips. They look cool. I mean, I pretty much half the stuff I did not have to do because it already came with the car, but I am going to tastefully mod it eventually. But you just picked up your car, boom, front lip. There you go. So I'm gonna take you guys to the back of the car. What are you probably gonna do next? Boom, spoiler. Most people do spoilers right off the gate. I was one of those people. I am not dogging anyone. I love the car community. I'm just saying, this is what I call the starter pack. Gonna do next, rear diffuser. I haven't done it yet. I mean, this car kind of already has one, but I've seen carbon fiber ones that look really nice. I'm thinking about it. They have the little brake light in the middle. I'm no expert when it comes to Q50s, Q60s. I just do this because I love having fun. We're gonna stay in the back. You're probably gonna go ahead and get you a nice little exhaust here. I have an axle back remark. Is that how you pronounce it? I know I've said this in many videos, but yeah, the remark axle back exhaust took like 10 minutes to install, if that. But yeah, that's it for the Q50 Q60 starter pack. It's nothing, this is just for comedy. So before you guys like freak out, I'm just doing this video for fun, give y'all something different. But if you'll press that Q50 playlist right there, you can see all my Q50 videos. And until next time, Cam's Life 12, and I'm checking out.